So this is a fantastic helmet for the price. This one is in glossy blue. It's got the retractable face shield, and it's a full face modular helmet. I really like it. It's super comfortable. It's only about $64, and I have not found a helmet that is true to fit size, except for this one. It says I take a large, and I do take a large. So everyone else I've had to go up one size to an extra large. So this is a really nice helmet. It's vented. Like I said, it's a modular helmet, so you can have it like half face or full face.
Dude, this has to be the coolest helmet I've ever had. This is too cool. Check this out. I can be like, yo, what's up? My name is Olin. Very cool. I click button. I got it down. I can do this. Oh! Oh! Now I can do that.